The number one best food that can eliminate your liver fat. In the past, the biggest cause of fat on the liver was alcohol. But nowadays, it's happening for another reason. And this problem isn't just limited to the liver, it affects the entire body. It becomes the cause of high blood pressure and diabetes, and this is where the biggest confusion about this disease begins, because in the medical field, this topic is discussed very cautiously. They don't tell you the real cause. Instead, you're told that if you have diabetes, obesity, or high blood pressure, you might have this liver problem. But they don't tell you why all these things are actually happening. Now they're even changing the name of this disease. It used to be called non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Now it's being named MASH, which stands for metabolic dysfunction associated steatohepatitis. But a common person gets very confused. So, leaving the real cause aside, every little issue is being treated with a different medicine. The real cause is hidden because perhaps many people have stakes in it. Now, let me tell you what the real cause is. Most people are consuming more food than necessary every single day, and they've been doing this for years. This damages their liver and other organs. You might be told that you have a fatty liver because you've had too much nutrition. You have a problem of chronic overnutrition. You might even think to yourself after hearing this, but I don't eat that much. Actually, overnutrition means excessive sugar, too much starch, and refined carbs that are found everywhere. I'm talking about bread, biscuits, cake rusks, French fries, chips, burgers, shawarmas, and among these, the most harmful thing is fructose, corn syrup, and artificial sweeteners used in fruit juices or bakery items. This is something that will destroy your liver, because whenever you eat glucose, the cells of your entire body can use it. But after entering the body, fructose goes only to the liver and damages only the liver. If you search for this disease on the internet, you won't find any serious symptoms. It will just say that you'll feel tired, occasionally have pain on the right side of your abdomen, your skin might turn slightly yellow, you might have itchy feet, and the clearest sign is a protruding belly, because there's so much fat in your liver that it's now accumulating around your internal organs and penetrating into the tissues. Then if you read further about it, the diet section often says that this disease is perhaps caused by eating red meat or eggs. Now, this is very strange, because if you look at these studies, they are merely observational, meaning there's a question mark at the end of them. Most are questionnaire-based studies, asking, do you eat these things? For example, do you eat red meat? But they don't ask if you also eat French fries with it. Do you also drink a cold drink full of sugar with it? Or do you smoke as well? Now, if red meat or eggs are the cause of fatty liver, just think, when did this epidemic start? This disease spread when we included fast food and processed food in our diet. So isn't it possible that the real problem started when we dramatically increased our intake of refined carbs? Because the data shows that if you switch to a low-carb ketogenic diet, you can reduce your liver fat by 50% in just a few weeks. So the question is, what should you eat? And the last food on this list is the most powerful. Number 1. Organic fresh red meat. This isn't just mutton, it can also be beef. But why is it special? Because it stabilizes your insulin and blood sugar. It contains high-quality protein, zinc, copper, and coenzyme Q10. All these nutrients are essential for your liver health. Number 2. Eggs. Why? Because the most important nutrient for preventing fatty liver is choline, and you get the most choline from egg yolks. The yolk has 0 carbs, meaning no sugar, and anything with 0 carbs helps in reversing liver fat. Number 3. Cruciferous vegetables, such as cabbage, broccoli, and other leafy greens. They help in detoxifying the liver. They contain sulforaphane. Now, what does this do? It has anti-cancer properties, detoxifies the liver, lowers your A1C, meaning it keeps your blood sugar stable. Number 4. Fatty fish, such as pomfret, trout, and salmon. They not only contain protein, but are also very high in omega-3 fatty acids, especially in the fat and skin of these fish. And this omega-3 reduces inflammation in your liver, meaning omega-3 controls inflammation. And now we come to the food that is considered the absolute best for the liver. You might be surprised to hear this because it's the very thing you are told not to eat if you have a fatty liver. It is liver, meaning mutton liver and beef liver. Why? It contains a lot of choline, and it also has zinc, selenium, and some other microminerals that help in reducing fatty liver and inflammation. It is also low carb, and you can eat it daily if you want to. Make a salad of leafy greens to go with it, and this will become the best meal in the world for your liver. I hope you liked this video. To watch more informative videos like this, please like our channel, subscribe, and be sure to press the bell icon. See you in the next video.